Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your account on the Bitrue crypto exchange app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitrue application on your device, and after you have logged in, you will end up within the home page. From here, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, and now within this page, if you scroll down, you will see the delete account option. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you will be told to follow the 3 rules that you see within this screen in order to delete your account. First of all, your account should not have any risky state. Secondly, you will need to settle all of your assets within your account, such as debts or unsettled funds. Thirdly, your account should not have received any reports or complaints. If all of these conditions are met, you can then press the next button. Now, in order to verify your decision and your identity, you will be asked to provide the safety verification through your email address and your Google Authenticator. Tap on the send button to receive the verification code on each one of these methods. For your email, check your inbox by tapping on the send button and then paste the verification code within. Then open up the Google Authenticator app and copy the code for BitGet. Then paste the code within this box as well. And finally, press the confirm button. Once your identity has been verified, you may be asked to provide a reason for why you are deleting your account. After providing the reason and confirming your decision one final time, your account will then be scheduled for deletion. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Bitrue crypto exchange app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.